In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the search bar and sidebar in Asana. By the end, you'll feel confident finding exactly what you need and navigating key areas on the left side of your screen. Start by opening Asana in your browser or desktop app and going to your workspace or a project you use regularly. Once you're in, look toward the very top of the screen for the universal search bar. This is the fastest way to jump to tasks, projects, messages, or files without digging through multiple pages. Click the search bar to activate it. You'll see a cursor blinking and the field is ready for your keywords. Type what you want to in. This could be a task title you remember, part of a project name, a topic keyword, or even a teammate's name to surface related work. Keep your keywords simple and specific. Using a distinctive word from the task or project usually narrows results quickly. As you type, Asana typically shows suggestions beneath the bar so you can move faster. When you spot what you're looking for, click a result to open it. That takes you straight to the task or project details, where you can read the description, check the status, and see related context without leaving your current flow. If the first result isn't what you expected, simply return to the search bar and adjust your wording until the right item appears. Now, let's use the sidebar on the left to navigate core areas of your work. Find the left side of your screen and click on Work. This brings you into a central place that organizes your team's efforts, making it easier to move between priorities without losing track of where things live. Next, click on Strategy. Think of this as the high-level plan that frames what matters most. Here, you'll typically see initiatives or goals that guide day-to-day tasks. Use this view to align your work with the bigger picture and confirm that what you're focusing on supports current priorities. Then, click on Workflow. This area helps you understand how work moves from start to finish. It's useful for spotting handoffs, stages, and potential bottlenecks so you can keep momentum. Use it to confirm where items sit in the process and what needs attention next. Finally, click on People. This view centers on who's doing what, giving you a clear sense of ownership and workload across your team. It's helpful for coordinating efforts, identifying the right point of contact, and making sure responsibilities are clear. That's it. With the search bar and the sidebar's work strategy, workflow, and people views, you can find information fast and navigate with confidence.